How to connect MetaTrader 4 or 5 to Plancana Trading Journal and skip manual trade entry forever. It's pretty easy. Let's take a look. From the account screen, navigate to the platform selection screen. The flow for MT4 and MT5 is similar, so we'll use MT5 as an example. To connect successfully, you'll need to fill in 3 fields: the exact server name where your account is hosted, your account number, your password. But where can you get these credentials? Normally, brokers send them to your email when you open a new account. Otherwise, you can check your broker's app or website. The MetaTrader app can also help you find the server name and account number, but not the password. Assuming you already have your credentials, let's go step by step. Start typing the server name and we'll automatically suggest matching options. Sometimes your server name may not appear in the list. In that case, simply contact us and we'll add it. Every broker is supported. Nobody gets left behind. Next comes the account number, which is simply the numeric ID of your trading account. The last field is the password. You can safely use the investor password, which provides read-only access. In any case, we guarantee that no operations will ever be performed on your account. We only read your trading history. Once all credentials are entered correctly, tap Connect and we'll quickly import your trading history. From that moment on, all newly closed trades will automatically appear in Plancana within about a minute. You can check the synchronization status of each connected account directly from the Accounts screen. An unlimited number of trading accounts can be connected,